Greetings! I'm Monica, your trusty guide, and today I have a true gem to share with you. As I set foot on this incredible beach, I'm immediately transported to paradise. The soft, golden sand stretches as far as the eye can see, inviting me to kick off my shoes and feel the warm embrace of nature beneath my toes. The gentle sea breeze brushes against my skin, carrying with it the sweet scent of salty ocean air. This beach is truly a feast for the senses. The crystal-clear turquoise waters shimmer under the sunlight, beckoning me to take a dip and embrace the refreshing embrace of the sea. The rhythmic sound of the waves crashing against the shore is like a lullaby, soothing and tranquil. The natural beauty here is unparalleled. Towering palm trees line the coastline, their graceful fronds swaying in harmony with the ocean breeze. Seagulls soar overhead, their calls filling the air as they glide effortlessly through the vast expanse of sky. But the magic doesn't stop there. This beach is also a playground for adventure seekers. If you're craving an adrenaline rush, grab a surfboard and ride the waves, or strap on your snorkeling gear and dive into the underwater wonderland beneath the surface. The vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine life will leave you in awe. I can't stress enough the importance of cherishing and preserving these precious coastal treasures. Let's all do our part in keeping the beaches clean and pristine for generations to come. Remember to pack out what you pack in and respect the natural environment. If you're enjoying this virtual beach escapade, I would be thrilled if you could show your support by subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. By subscribing, you'll be joining our beach-loving community and won't miss out on future breathtaking beach explorations. Don't forget to click the notification bell, so you'll be the first to know when I release new videos, showcasing more of the world's most awe-inspiring beaches. Together, we'll continue to celebrate the beauty of these coastal wonders. Thank you for joining me on this memorable beach adventure. Your support means the world to me, and I'm truly grateful to have you as part of the Beach Diaries family. Until our next sandy encounter, keep spreading the beach vibes and remember to subscribe and like this video. Stay sun-kissed and always cherish the magic of the beach.